Hey, welcome back to LE DIY channel. Today we are going to learn how to install a ceiling light. You can save more than $100 by watching this video. The ceiling lamp is a home lighting product that can bring the beauty of light to any space. It has high brightness and high CRI, which can restore the true color of the illuminated object more clearly, making people feel comfy. Today, we are going to talk about this product. Please power off the mains before installation. If it is a wooden installation top, it requires a screwdriver. If it is a concrete installation top, you need an impact drill and drill bit.
Pull the bracket lock to take off the mounting bracket. Fix the mounting bracket to the ceiling. For wooden ceilings, just use a screwdriver to fix the mounting bracket. Add anti-scratch pads to the back of the lamp body. Open the light's waterproof wiring compartment. Insert the wires into the electrical connections N and L accordingly. Straighten out the wire, put the rubber sealant into position and lock the wiring compartment. Pull the bracket lock and attach the lamp body to the fixed mounting bracket.
Turn on the main switch and the lamp will light up immediately and the installation will be completed successfully.
For concrete and stone ceilings, first drill 2 holes. The distance between the holes for this lamp should be 45 to 70 millimeters. Please check your product manual for details. Put in the concrete anchors and then fix the mounting bracket with screws.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more home DIY knowledge and save thousands of dollars.